Hey guys, here's Louie. A short update on what's coming up next for the Ladybird. So I had a lot of fun this weekend. Let's see. Snow, ice, freezing rain, cold temperature, and bodywork. Oh boy, what a journey. Just came back from outside, cleaning up more of the ice, snow, under the rain, and I'm here to explain to you guys because I did some inventory on checking out for the owner outside on at the bird cage. I will be explaining this table and over there in front of the subframe soon, but first let me share with you guys the body work that I was doing at the back. And stay tuned towards the end. I'm gonna be showing pictures at the end of this video of an upcoming project here at First Generation Garage. So for those that followed the fixing the gaps on a panel that are bad, this is the outcome. So I did all my filler work this weekend, and who likes body work? I don't know. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. We have a love and hate relationship, but it's looking great. I did put the deck lid back on. I marked it before taking it off, and she fits excellent. It looks so much better back here. I'm really happy how everything turned out. I'll be priming, sealing everything, hopefully tomorrow after I clean everything out, because I'm pretty wiped out as of for today. And as for the plug drains on the floor, upcoming video, a lot of people are installing them the wrong way. There is a way to install them. If you care to know, stop by on the next video for that. But so far so good. Everything here is turning out great. And because I have the firewall here exposed, another future video is going to be how to restore your heater box, okay? And everything you're going to need to make this section work with the defrost, ducking, and all that. And how I use insulation for the firewall on the back side, the inside part. So yeah, I checked out in the bird cage a whole bunch of ladies bird owner parts that he brought. The gentleman brought a whole bunch of parts when he dropped off the car. Him and his wife was really helpful that day. They helped me haul everything inside the bird cage. And I told him that he have his own private engine bay at the bird cage. And we had some laughs there. So I will be installing that water pump plate. That's for 68 and older. Okay. And we're going to try to make this engine run, and we probably break it in right here in the engine stand. Just add the radiator and all that. And by the way, if you're seeing the video, Ladybird owner, go buy it because we need the radiator. He wants a 4-speed. This is a 4-speed from an original 1969 GTO, and he's using it on his build. That's what he wants, and that's what he's gonna get. As for Louis, it will be a learning experience because I never did a manual car. So I called a shout out and he was happy to respond and happy to come over here. And his name is Christopher Testa. Please, I'm asking you guys, please share the support. Let's make his channel, help his channel grow. He's an excellent guy, very knowledgeable guy. Great friend of mine that I met here in Pennsylvania, close to 5 or 6 years now. Chris is an awesome guy. He came out here to hang out with me and Jonathan when we had a little car show in front of my house. Hopefully we will have another one soon. But Chris, he's a very hands-on guy, and he's gonna help me make all the 4-speed parts work on the Firebird. But if you guys want to catch that video, you need to subscribe to his channel, Testa Speed Shop. Chris, if you see this video, put a link on my video for your channel, please. Test the Speed Shop. That's Test the Speed Shop on YouTube. We're just waiting to receive more of the parts, and he's thinking of coming here in the beginning of March or something like that on a weekend, because I have every other weekend off from work. So we need to link up my days off so it could work for both of us. But if you guys are interested how you put a manual together for one of these first gen birds or even Camaro, stop by his channel, because we are going to take it to his channel for that episode. Now, on my YouTube channel here at First Generation Garage, I'm going to do a complete video of how to convert a manual car to power steering car. I mean, from the beginning, from the gearbox to the power steering box, all the different type of bracket, hoses, pulleys, correct pulleys that you need. Okay, and for those who want to learn that and really need to know what's involved, that's going to be an excellent video, because this time I am starting from scratch. I know I have a power steering video out there, but this one is going to go from the very beginning to the end of what you guys need to have as of inventory and what you guys are going to have invested into it work-wise. Okay, but very quick update. Okay, and this car is actually a cool build on the channel, because this car came, well, this bird came pretty naked. When I mean pretty naked, no feathers, in other words, missing a whole bunch of parts. And let me tell you something, it's a scary thing when you don't know what you're looking at and you buy a car that's missing a lot of parts, because there is a lot invested, you know, financially is a lot invested, guys. So there goes another tip. Watch it how you get into a classic car that doesn't come with a whole bunch of parts. See if you could get a better deal on it, or just walk away or bite the bullet like the owner did of Lady Bird, and he's moving forward to be having the chance of driving his dream car. My goal was metalwork. For metalwork, I added some mechanical work now, but I really will be happy to see this car driving out of the garage, you know, soon. Once me and Chris from Test the Speed Shop put everything together there and put the subframe back in, and I'll have the car plumbed. I mean, from that point forward, is a matter of anything, you know. If you guys care to know also the power brake upgrade, okay, let me know. I'll make a video. If I don't get that much comments, I won't make a video, because it's really time consuming, time that I don't have, and I apologize. I try to stick on videos that people want to see, and I'm willing to invest the time. Right here, he has a whole setup, new power brake booster, new proportioning valve, new master cylinder, everything is there. He already did the upgrade of the front disc brakes. I believe he used the right stuff, okay? And guys, I mean, this was a big project, but little by little, I'm chopping her down. And that's what I want you guys to do at home. Just don't get overwhelmed. Take it little by little, little by little, little by little. And you'll see when you turn around, you actually have done a lot. Like I always have said from day one, dedicate 1 hour or 2, if possibly every day. If you start on Monday, by Friday, you already have 5 hours invested in your project. You'll be amazed what you could do. That's the only way Louis is able to do these cars back to back, back to back, back to back. Maybe people find this that I like a punishment, but it's not that. To me, it's almost not like work. It's like being a kid in a big sand castle and a big sandbox, building castles all day. Well, I'm sitting in my sandbox, which is the garage, playing with the birds all day. Well, guys, like I always say, keep your hands dirty. This time my hands are clean because I was just shoveling snow. But keep your hands dirty and your project will move forward. Bye-bye now.